What? What is that?
The voice of the National Weather Service, station KWN 33.
This is the $1,700 communications test.
That's unbelievable. Wow. Peters comes up with the fumble recovery. Was this Aguilar or was deep crossing route over the...
Northwestern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas. In southwestern Arkansas. Miller County in southwestern The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, southern Hemisphere Arkansas, southwestern County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern southeastern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, Cattle Parish in northwestern Louisiana, eastern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, eastern Cass County in northeastern Texas, Marion County in northeastern Texas, until 11:30. Northeastern Texas, Marion County in northeastern Texas, until 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:25 a.m. Central Standard Time, thunderstorms were located along the line from near Perrytown to over Halton. Locations impacted include Texarkana, Hope, Atlanta, Prescott, Stamps, Waldo, Louisville, and to be source. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs. Sighting. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Fellowship, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster, and the following counties in Texas: Harrison, Marion, and Missoula. A tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of Louisiana, Fellowship, and Caddo, and the following large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid change in weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned in for weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 1 has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Fellowship, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster, and the following counties in Texas: Harrison, Marion, and Panola.
Okay, so I'm a little confused here because
under tornado watch, currently under tornado watch, until 11:30 hours. If that changes, we'll update you. It's a problem. I'm saying that with two-story family dwelling.
Oh, that's new. I ain't heard that before. On their channel. Oh my goodness. Okay, them too. Okay.
No emergency. Have a weather update. We are now currently under tornado watch until 11:30. We're under tornado watch until 11:30 for Northwest Caddo Parish. 12-2.
Cool. I'm a little confused here because the first warning that got issued never got issued over no weather radio, which it should have because it was for Cass County. So that's my first confusion. My second confusion is, what happened with Cumulus? Why did it sound like that? It sounded just like K94.5. So they likely have the same thing, like KDAQ has, where they monitor K94.5. That's what I'm gonna assume what happened there, because that's not usual, of course, but you know, probably just a little slip up. It's probably nothing too crazy. I don't really care, to be honest, so it's all good. All right, nice. We got a warning, then a watch. This radio failed. I don't know what's up with this radio. I think I need to just reset it entirely, but I don't know. I'll figure it out, I guess, later on. But yeah, anyways. All right. Let's see what the rest of these storms bring us. All right, we got our first tornado warning of the day, like immediately after the warning got issued. Just about.
Northwest.
I don't know why I did
North
that.
Texas. County in southwestern Arkansas, central Nevada County in southwestern Arkansas, until 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:34 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hope, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar. Side. Town, Bluff City, Lingberg, Sutton, Mount Moriah, and Morris. Windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Hempstead, and Nevada. Thunderstorm warning for West Central northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Shelby County in eastern Texas, northeastern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Gregg County in northeastern Texas. For the National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central, northwestern Shelby County in eastern southwestern. But I haven't always been Eastern Texas and along the line for 80 miles northeast. Nicholas Water. And then the Henderson. Locations impacted include Henderson, Carthage, Greenwood, Blanchard, Wascom, Tatum, Timpson, Beckville, Murringsport, Fields, Newbury, Woodlawn, Carnick, Milan, New Salem, and these storms are capable of producing damaging winds and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. The room on the lowest floor of the well-built structure.
To that nation.
Central Standard Time Sunday for portions of Northwest and North A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time in Louisiana. Those are in Canada and the following. Northwestern Union County, Columbia County in southwestern County in southwestern Arkansas. I gotta tell you, baby. Western Arkansas. Northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Webster, northwestern Louisiana County in southwestern County in southwestern Arkansas, southeast.
And then
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas, Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Miller County in southwestern Arkansas, southern Nevada County, willingness miles east of Smithland, or along the line from 16 impact. Harrison County in northeastern Texas, eastern Marion County in northeastern Texas, until 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 24 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from over Blunt City to 6 miles east of Smith, Belcher, Lawson, 18 miles southeast of Prescott, 22 miles south of Atlanta, and stay away from windows. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source. Stay away from windows. Build structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. East Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12. in northwest until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Or 10 miles west of Freeport. Moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Until 1 p.m. Location intensive include. Moving east at 50 miles per hour. Per hour with gusts and small hail.
Downside.
Greenwood,
Finally,
in Taylor Town. Seek shelter inside a well-filled structure in northwest Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Ceiling has a We're immediately in an interior room and an emergency build structure. Seek shelter in the interior room on the low floor of a well-built structure. Time Sunday for a portion of northwest Louisiana. 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Sunday.
Oh, wow. Okay, that came out of absolutely nowhere. Is this thing not going? What is happening? Okay, the reason for that... That's a thing? Cold weather advisory? I thought they just shortened it. No, it's real. What?
Severe thunderstorms moving into the area with damaging winds and hail. This is up until 1300 hours. Severe thunderstorms
1
moving
o'clock,
into
by
the
the way.
area with damaging winds and hail until 1300 hours.
I'm assuming they're going to talk about it too.
Thursday, this day responds 14,770.
No, they're not. Okay. Anyways, the reason why the recording stopped is because this good-for-nothing HomePod decided to think, okay, mid-video, I know he's recording, but I'm gonna connect to his phone. I'm just gonna pop up, do you want to play music? I don't know if you want to, but like, do you want to play music? This thing is so stupid. I'm about to unplug it after I'm done with this video, but like, yeah, that's what happened there.
1300.
Oh. Okay, there we go. Caddo Parish now.
No emergency weather update. We have a severe thunderstorm moving into the area with damaging winds and hail until 1300. Severe thunderstorm moving into the area with damaging winds and hail until 1300. North.
Thank you. All right. So yeah. Anyways, that's what happened there. Yeah. Nice. Had this good-for-nothing HomePod decided not to basically ruin it.
Union County.
Come on, please. Do it. Come on. I know it's there. Come on. Oh, man.
Until 1 Standard Time. At 12:17. Until 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from near Mount Holly to near Benton, or along a line from 12 miles east of McNeil to 15 miles north of Bossier City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Trees. Locations impacted include
American Nightmare.
Springfield, City, Haynesville, Collins. Remains in effect until shelter.
Locked down right away by ladies. Classic. Energy of God.
Structure. Check until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Sunday for portions of Arkansas and northwest Louisiana. The tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Sunday for portions of Arkansas and northwest Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15.
I swear if I get a copyright strike. Definitely get a copyright strike. Go away,
Customized strategies that deliver a was located 5 miles northwest of Boiling, or 10 miles west of El Dorado, Magnolia, Spring Hill, Homer.
Clear fix.
Louisiana, southern Louisiana, southern parish in northwestern Louisiana. Impact. Expect the locations of hazards include London, August, Sydney, Houston, Birmingham, Dublin, Dixon, Hessel, Athens, Rotterdam, York, Ada, Ogden.
You got me good.
Tornadoes till 6 p.m. Central Standard. Shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of the level structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. The thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Daryl, told you.
Standard time for the following parishes.
God is so real.
30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes.
I don't know, you did that.
In northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Bossier Parish, in northwestern Louisiana, south central Claiborne Parish, in northwestern Louisiana, north central Red River Parish, in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Webster, northwestern Louisiana, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:07 p.m. Central. The National Weather Service in eastern Bossier Parish.
Happy trails, everyone.
Parish in northwestern Louisiana, north central Red River.
Get some.
Louisiana, southeastern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, south central Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana. The thunderstorm was located 9 miles out p.m. Central Standard Time.
Just tell me why.
2 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving northeast hazard 60 miles per hour.
They're playing it out.
Roofs, siding, and trees.
Dallas Cowboys. Chapter 4.
Still south and Loggy Bale. Northwestern Union Parish, northeastern Bienville Parish, and northwestern Louisiana, eastern Claiborne Parish, and northwestern Louisiana.
Accomplishing goals.
Central Standard Time. At 1:19 p.m. Central Standard Time. The National Weather Service. Line from 5 miles west of Junction City to 13 miles southeast of Michael, moving at 612 miles per hour. Radar indicated storms were located along a line from 5 miles west of Junction City to 7 miles east of Heffernan, or along a line from 5 miles west of Junction City to 13 miles southeast. 7 miles.
Let's make it happen. Introducing Jim. Killed by
well-built and stay away from Ruston, Grambling, Arcadia, Bernice, Gippsland, Cooley, Dubon, City, Vienna, Athens, Lisbon, Stilsville, Lily, Mount Lebanon, Holmes, Mount Zion, Aiken, Unionville, and Corny Lake. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure.
As funding comes
In effect until 6 p.m. Central. Capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado parishes in Louisiana, Bienville, Claiborne, Lincoln, and Union. Bienville, Claiborne, Lincoln, and Union.
There we go.
Union Parish, East Central Bienville Parish, and northwestern Louisiana until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from the southwest of 10 to 15 miles south of West Central Washita Parish, Union Parish, East Central Bienville Parish, and to do that, and I think source radar
You said earlier. They are what? Nate Smith claimed.
Downsville, Oakland, and Cecil.
Final question.
And stay away from windows. The Jonesboro. Storms are capable of producing locations impacted include tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Damage to roofs, siding, and locations impacted include rust storm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Standard Structure and stay away from windows. In Louisiana. A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Louisiana, Bienville, Jackson, Lincoln, Washita, and Union. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Bienville, Jackson, Lincoln, Washita, and Union.
investigate.
For West Central Grant Parish, Southwestern Jackson Parish, Wynn Parish, Southeastern Bentonville Parish, and Northwestern Louisiana. Southeastern Red River Parish in Northwestern Louisiana. Northeastern Sabine Parish in Northwestern Louisiana.
Paul Granderson, the defensive end, and so kind of choppy.
3:45 p.m. from Leesville. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from Parish, Wynn Parish, Southeastern Bentonville Parish, and Northwestern Southeastern Red River Parish until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Sabine Parish and Northwestern.
More, go ahead.
At 2:20 Central Standard Time. A line from 17 miles north of Kankakee to 11 miles. It's at 50 miles per hour. Is expected. And stay away from Montgomery. Shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These
Might want to continue.
you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Quickly from severe thunder. On the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for portions of North Central and Northwest. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for South Central Ashley County in southeastern Arkansas, northwestern Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Huttig, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Beekman around 2:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Berlin around 2:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Jones around 3:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Morehouse, Louisiana. Running for until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Jackson, Southeastern Lincoln Parish, Washita Parish, Eastern Union Parish, Southeastern Bienville Parish, and Northwestern Louisiana until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line 11 miles east of Mississippi, 8 miles west of Jonesboro, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for portions of north central and northwest Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Jackson, Lincoln, Washita, and Union. Washita, and Union.
Program specific.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for southern Chicot County in southeastern Arkansas, northeastern Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northeastern East Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northern West Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, southwestern Washington County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Issaquah County in west central Mississippi, northwestern Cherokee County in west central Mississippi, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Oak Grove, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oak Grove and Kilbourne around 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gasaway, Milliken, and Shelburne around 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Glen Allen around 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Grace around 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Canterburn around 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.